When you think of a swarm of drones, you probably imagine a terrifying scene from a viral video or Black Mirror episode. But in reality, pretty soon we could see a drone fleet spreading thousands of self-bearing seeds that could restore Earth's forests. Scientists have created an autonomous self-bearing seed carrier that mimics the erodium plant's remarkable ability to drill its seeds into the ground. These tiny wooden seeding robots have coiled tails that unwind when moistened, driving seeds deep into the soil to take root. The seed carriers can also be used to deliver functional devices like sensors to monitor each plant's progress. A fleet of drones could scatter millions of these self-planting seeds in hard-to-reach areas, bringing forests back to life at an unprecedented scale.